Hi guys, Christina here at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you how to pull your files into Garment Creator and set up a print file. The job we're going to be working on first today is this 18628. So we're going to open up Garment Creator. I do have this already set up, but for video purposes we're going to set this up from the beginning. So we're going to go File, Open, CB Orders 18628. We're going to open up the full back here, so we're just dragging and dropping. And as you can see, you can probably gang up more than one here. So we're going to double click your image. We're going to go over here to duplicate, and that's going to create one more for you. So if you drag and drop here, we're just trying to maximize our sheet. And we want to make sure everything is within the limits there. Alright. We're going to hit OK. And there's one step here that we have to do. So we're going to go into Layout and we're going to flip this mirror image here. Then from Print Settings, we're going to use DTF Standard. That's going to print the color and then the white on top, and that's it. So right here we're going to say we want one of these. We're going to hit print. It's going to send it to the printer, and we will be back with the next steps.